Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FlowerAI token. Name of the token is FlowerAI, all one word, ticker symbol is Flower. Now this token right now is trending on DEX Tools and trending on DEX Screener in the Solana sections. Very popular token today, huge market cap, huge trading volume. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan, Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Those are all great places to see the price and the chart. And this token here has a Telegram you could follow at FlowerAI_Sol. And there is 3 different links on there. They have flowerai.app, which is their web page there. And there's a little information button in the corner. If you click on that, that'll take you over to a Gitbook, which is at flowerai.gitbook.io. They also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at FlowerAI_Sol. You can see there's a link to their Gitbook right there, link to their webpage. They have 5,448 Twitter followers, and they just joined Twitter in November 2024. 110 posts, so very popular project right off the bat. Now, as far as popularity, this token's up 205% today. And they also have a 24-hour trading volume of $32.7 million. They have a market cap of $25.5 million. They have $1.3 million worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to DEX Screener, 89.05% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They're trending number 28 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Token price is about 2.6 cents per token. And they are trending number 8 right now on DEX Tools. And you can also find this token on CoinGecko. So far, they have 9,300 holders. Total supply is 999.99 million tokens. That's also their circulating supply. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. And their quick intel security audit says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now this token pair was created 4 days, 15 hours ago on RAYDIUM. So this is a fairly new token here. They were created on pump.fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And yeah, so what is this project all about? It says, welcome to FlowerAI, your intelligent companion for navigating the fast-paced world of on-chain markets. In dynamic and competitive environments where trends can shift overnight, staying ahead requires real-time insights and powerful tools. FlowerAI introduces FLOWEY QUANT, an advanced AI agent leveraging cutting-edge technologies like LLM retrieval, augmented generation, and integrating with leading on-chain protocols such as Pump.fun, Celio Finance, and Helios. And you can see, I believe there's a link on the Twitter here to at FLOWEY QUANT. Now, FLOWEY QUANT delivers instant analysis of token performance, market movements, and wallet activity, helping you make data-driven decisions in real time. To complement this, FlowerAI offers an interactive live updating platform to visualize and analyze holders of the ecosystem token Flower. This innovative tool provides actionable insights into on-chain behavior, empowering you to stay at the forefront of the evolving metas. Whether you're tracking trades or strategizing for the next big move, FlowerAI keeps you one step ahead of the ever-changing trenches. Now, they have a section of useful links on their document section, like the Twitter to at FlowerAI underscore Sol, and then they have the FLOWEY QUANT link as well, contract address, and web page. And so it says here, our website scrapes the holder base of Flower token in real time, offering up data insights on our entire holder base. Each holder is represented as a flower, proportional in size to their flower holding. And that's interesting because I just went to the web page. I was wondering what the heck is this with all these flowers all over the place. And now it makes sense, and now it's actually pretty cool. It says, using cryptography, hashing logic, we're able to generate unique flowers for each holder. In the garden, everyone has their own one-of-one identity. No two flowers will ever be the same. Changes in holder balances are broadcasted in the Flower terminal, effectively giving you up-to-date order flow of our token. Think of it as AGGR.trade, but for flowers. So maybe this will become like a new cool thing here. Now it talks about FLOWEY QUANT, which is an innovative social experiment in which we've effectively reinvented what it means to be in the trenches. A FLOWEY continues to gain access to more and more data points. He will become more profitable as time goes on. FLOWEY QUANT is set to be your next favorite KOL, able to quickly and efficiently analyze tokens better than the rest. With the power of RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, FLOWEY is able to fetch token data in real time. Using the data, he is free to make suggestions of tokens that he finds interesting or have potential while still maintaining good risk management. We created API endpoints for various services such as Pump.Fund, Helios, Cilio Finance, and many more. FLOWEY has free will to pull any of these endpoints whenever he pleases to analyze them as he sees fit. He then tweets his findings. FLOWEY has seen good success so far. He has already hit a 100x. So there you go. Interesting. So you can follow FLOWEY there. And yeah, if you want to get this token, first of all, you need a wallet. So you can get a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare, or Phantom wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for the FlowerAI token using the contract address that you could find on their document section, on their SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinGecko. You can find it all over the place. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may you probably won't have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of RAYDIUM, so just be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.